San Road. We're gonna go from the top right down to the bottom, and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna get involved, we're gonna interact with people. I don't know what we're gonna see, but it is gonna be crazy. If you're thinking about coming to Bangkok, to Khao San Road, this is what to expect. The food, the drink, the everything else, the shows, the people, it's all here in Khao San Road. Starting off with some crazy food like this. If you're feeling a bit peckish, you can get a little bit of you get a bit of alligator. All right, it's here, it's just here. So let's go down, let's see what happens. This is very tame right now, very tame. You can buy yourself some clothes, you can be like, ooh, I fancy a new top, lovely stuff. And then, once you get past the sophistication of it all, you start to find out that actually,
it's crazy.
It's just a madded place. If you think Bangla Road in Patong, Phuket is crazy.
I think this is crazier than Bangla Road.
This is it on steroids. Hey, come on! Right, everyone's up for it. Everyone's up for a good time. People doing. Come on, brother. Hey! We got people doing buckets. Oh! Come on! Full moon! It's about to get crazier now. Hey! They're selling scorpions. This place looks mad. That looks mad. Here we go. Look at these guys. So mad. Come on. Whoa! It's a bloody bargain! It's a bargain down Khao San Road. Crazy! Get yourself a kebab. Hey, hey. Best kebab in Khao San Road. Hey, hey, sexy boy! Sexy boy! You believe I got the key. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Naughty boy! Oh, here we go! Here we go! The big boys are out! Come on! What's he gonna do? Come on, come on, come on! Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's going? Oh, is someone gonna hit it? Alright. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, you're on camera now, brother. No pressure. Oh, he's sizing it up, he's sizing it up. Are they gonna scream again? Yeah, I thought he's gonna fall off his hinges. That is the worst punch bag I've ever seen in my life. Why is he going like that? Like a cow's udder. Scamming you, isn't they? Alright, we're nearly at the end, don't worry. Hey, and while you're in the madness, if you wanted to have a relax, there you go. Just get your feet massaged. If you're feeling a bit pressured, come on, lads. You can just have a little massage in between it all. Keep going again. Hey, 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 hey. If you want it, you got it. If you want a new hairstyle, you can get a new wig. Hey, hey. Will it good on me? I don't know. Good prices though. Sto americano. And we're not even drinking alcohol. Hey! Hey! crazy. Woo! If you're feeling peckish, get yourself a centipede. Yeah, we're nearly there. We're nearly at the end of Khao San Road. Have I sold it to you? If you didn't have enough alligator at the top of the strip, get yourself another slice. Hey, hey, hey. Grab yourself a free bottle. But yeah, Khao San Road, absolutely crazy. Like, you want to do it, it's possible here. And then you got yourself a Macca's in there as well. Oh, Ronald. He's here as well. Everyone's in Khao San Road. And then it all calms down again. And you can buy yourself, you can get another scorpion if you want. But then it all calms down, you can get yourself some clothes again. And just reflect on what just happened in Khao San Road. What did you do? Do you remember the night? I don't think you'd get to the end as quick as we just did. This took us 10 minutes. Oh, he's had enough, hasn't he? Sleepy boy, sleepy boy. He's tired, man. He's working out. Oi! Oi, pink ball, whoa! Where'd that come from? You heard the man. Oh, right. And we're at the end. And then, yeah, if you're feeling a bit, you know, guilty about life, well, you can just turn into a vegan because there's all vegan restaurants at the end. And then you can jump in a tuk-tuk and go and reflect on life again. So that is Khao San Road, a crazy place. I don't know what it'll be like when you come here. If you like the look of this, come down. I'm a singer, I'm a music artist from England. So if you want to subscribe for more, like, comment on this video, your experiences in Khao San Road, what it's been like for you when you've come down here. Did you enjoy this? Do you think it's crazy? Do you know somewhere more crazy? But yeah, from me, see you later.